Hey, this video covers ScreenCastify Submit, which is an additional product for use with the 612 teachers and students in the Albert Lea schools. Currently, this is in beta, so anybody can get to this, but we will have full access for this once the beta ends on August 17th. So when the school year starts, you'll have it. You go to Submit, and what you're going to do is you're first going to have to create an assignment. And the idea of Submit is you're creating a link that your students can record and submit videos to you for quick responses or something different, or just a way to continue engagement with students. So we're going to create a new assignment by clicking on this tab. And what you're going to do is what type of video do you want students to submit, or anybody that you want to submit a video to? Do you want it to just be a web recording? They have to explain something or tell you something, or do you want something that is screen, which would be a screen recording? If you want to do a screen recording, you can still put the webcam in there. What you want to do. So for this one, we'll just do just a webcam only, make it nice and simple. We're going to give this a title, and we'll do Welcome to Submit, and record a short video saying hi and telling me 2 things about you. All right, so we've got our assignment here that we've got, and then what we can do is we can configure how do we want our assignment to be set up. Who do we want to submit the video? So we can do, if it's anybody in your organization, would be Albert Lea Schools, anyone with the link. I like to, if you do anyone with the link, then you put the link in your Google Classroom, makes it nice and easy. Students, we can have students will be able to see none of the videos, which means they can't see even the video they submit. They can see their own video, or maybe it's something that you're doing and you've created a culture of climate and respect, and students can view each other's videos, and it's a way for everybody to get to know each other, or something like that. And so you can set up however you want to do it. So I'm going to do students can view their own videos, and I'm going to get emailed when a video is submitted. Okay, so then I've got my assignment. Here is my link. So then what I'm going to do is I can share this link with students, so I can either email this to them or get this to them somehow. All of these assignments are going to be stored in a folder, and if you want to click on this folder, it will take you to your Google Drive. So it'll show you where that folder is in your Google Drive that it just created. So under your screencast, you have in your drive, you have a folder called ScreenCastify Submit, which is where all of your submit videos will go. And it's by title of the assignment. So my assignment is called Welcome to Submit. So that's where those files are going to go. So it makes it real easy for you to organize where they're at. But even easier is this shared classroom. So if I click onto this Google Classroom link, what I will get is my Google Classrooms will pop up. And we're going to have this shared to my Google Classroom. And I created a classroom called Training Class, and I'm going to assign this to it. So I'm going to create an assignment or ask a question, make an announcement. Maybe this isn't something that's going to be for a grade. This is just a hello, but so you can choose if you wanted to, how you want this to be. If this is for a grade, you could create an assignment with it and look through the Google stuff to do it. This is just going to be, I'm just going to do this one as creating material, because we're not going to grade this or anything like that. So we're just going to create material. I'm going to hit go, and there it is. Welcome to Submit. Complete this submit video assignment. And here we go. So there it is. And if I had a topic, I could put a topic on here. I'm going to post this. And there it is. I have posted it to my class. So if I want to view it, I could go to my Google Classes. And here is, I've posted new material. Welcome to Submit. So if I click on the Welcome to Submit, it has to complete the Submit video assignment. I've got the link right here. So now as a student, I would go in here, click on this link, and it will open up the ScreenCastify Submit. It will give me everything, walk me through all the steps on how to submit that video, and then I can go back and get it. So I'll get here, we'll record this. Hey, my name's Burke. I like hockey and I like to read. I'm gonna stop that recording. When I'm ready to submit it, I'm gonna hit the submit button. So then I have submitted my video. All right, so my video was submitted. So then if I go back to submit, go back to submit. So now I'm back in my submit here, and I see that I have my assignment is open. This is the date that I created it. I've got a submission. I can always go back to my shareable URL if I needed to get that. And so then I can edit my assignment. And when I'm done with this assignment, if you close it, that means that the link is no longer live and students can't respond to it. So then I am going to go back to my submissions. And in my submissions, I can look at and see the videos that the students have submitted to me. So that's going to give me my ScreenCastify Submit. So I've got those assignments in here, and that is a quick tutorial on how to use the ScreenCastify Submit feature.